Creating a Fiverr account in 2023 is likely to follow a similar process to what it was in 2021. Here are the steps to create a Fiverr account. 1. Visit the Fiverr website. Open your preferred web browser and go to the Fiverr website, www.fiverr.com. 2. Sign up. Click on the Join or Sign Up button. It's usually located in the top right corner of the web page. 3. Choose your registration method. You can sign up with your Google account, Facebook account, Apple ID, or with your email address. Select the option you prefer. If you choose to sign up with your email address, you'll need to provide your email, create a password, and click Continue. 4. Complete your profile. After signing up, you'll be prompted to complete your profile. This includes adding a profile picture, writing a short bio, and providing other relevant information about your skills and expertise. 5. Verify your email. Fiverr will send a verification email to the address you provided during registration. Open your email inbox, find the email from Fiverr, and click on the verification link. 6. Set up your seller profile. Optional. If you plan on offering services, gigs, on Fiverr, you'll need to set up your seller profile. This involves creating gigs, adding descriptions, setting prices, and specifying delivery times. 7. Add payment details. If you're planning to offer services and earn money on Fiverr, you'll need to add your payment details. This includes setting up a PayPal account or providing banking information for direct transfers. 8. Verify your identity. If required, depending on your location and the services you offer, Fiverr may require you to go through an identity verification process. This could include providing a copy of your ID or other documents. 9. Explore Fiverr and start selling. Once your account is set up, you can start exploring Fiverr, searching for services, and, if you're a seller, promoting your gigs. Remember to review Fiverr's terms of service and community guidelines to ensure you comply with their policies. Also, consider setting competitive prices and offering high-quality services to attract buyers and build a good reputation on the platform.